Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CyberLeek token is legit or a scam. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap, and here you can check bullish and bearish comment. And copy this address. After that, you have to open Dex tool and paste here copied address, and you will open this token, and here you can check audit scan, and you can also check all the transaction details. After that, you have to open CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX and other popular exchanges. After that, you have to click on Explorers and go to holder section. Now here you can check all the holders transaction details. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project 30% chances that it is a scam and 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.